Hello people. Fuck. Hello people from YouTube. This is my first attempt in a video in English, which is, I think will be bad. It's probably gonna be bad. It's okay. We're here for the tones. At least I am. I discovered something really life-changing. Not really, but for me it is. I just plugged in. I have two amps. One is like a acoustic amp, and one is a proper guitar amp. But my guitar amp is really quiet, so I'm running my Katana into my Fender Acoustasonic into my trusty Squire, and I've been making some tone checks right now. I hope you all dig it. I'm really just saving up for buying a Marshall or a Fender. But as soon as I get a audio interface too, I'll be releasing my second record, which my first one is out on Spotify. It's called Burritos and Acid. If you wanna check it out. Uh, Besides that, I cannot tell much about a release date. I'm really am frustrated with my first one. I thought that the work was really bad, and I think doesn't represent me as an artist. I'm working on new lyrics and editing stuff back there. My setup is a mess, by the way. Jesus. Uh, yeah, I guess that's it. I will just put this on the cabinet. We will dig some tones right now, just some bluesy stuff. I will not go high gain. Maybe yeah, maybe I will, but we will see. All right. Catch you guys in a new video. If you like my videos in English and you want me to make it like a second channel, which is like just videos on English, I can do that. I can just use my older channel that I used to have. It's just gaming. I delete the videos of that one. It has the same name. I think it has more subscribers, even though that I don't fucking give a single flying fuck. Anyways, that's it. Comment down below if you want any acoustic covers or electric. Alright, let's see how this goes.